back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to change the right click menu to work with the left click instead. So let's get started. Firstly, on search bar, here you will type settings, then click on settings. Now click on Bluetooth and devices. Scroll down, click on mouse. Here you will see the first option was primary mouse button. Here it is left, you can select and then click on right. Once you do this, your right button becomes the main click and your left button open the context menu. Now test the change. Now try clicking on your desktop or any file. You will see the menu open with left click instead of right click. This setting is usually for left hand users or anyone who prefer a different mouse layout. And that's it. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more Windows tips. Thanks for watching.